everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you different types of banarasi dupattas with plain kurti designs. These you can pair with embroidered kurtis as well for achieving more royal getup. There are many color combinations which I have shown in this video, so you can try with banarasi dupattas and plain kurtis. So please watch the video till the end.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.